The KRRASS WC67K Series 200-ton 3200mm NC press brake features the Estun E21 controller, enabling easy and efficient control of the back gauge X-axis. Its rigid frame, impeccable design, high efficiency, diverse tooling solutions, top-tier CE safety standards, and competitive pricing make it a leader in its class. The Estun E21 controller, combined with its motor drive system, ensures quick and efficient movement of the back gauge X-axis. The machine's electrical system uses Schneider electric components from France, ensuring safe and stable operation while extending the machine's lifespan. Sharp-angle tooling and multi-V dies allow for a variety of bending tasks to be performed on this single machine with ease and precision. Limit switches provide position signals to the controller, which then manages the up and down movement of the ram for precise bending operations. The quick clamp system enables easy and rapid changes of various tooling types. The adjustable front sheet support arms help reduce the strain when bending larger sheets. Powered by a German Siemens main motor, the press brake delivers robust performance, long lifespan, reduced noise, and lower energy consumption, making it more environmentally friendly. The use of American First oil pump and German Rexroth hydraulic control system ensures that the machine tool has high stability and high precision during the bending process. The X-axis, Z-axis, and back gauge all utilize SHAC linear guides and ball screws, ensuring bending accuracy and extending the machine's service life. The powerful capabilities of the Estun E21 controller, driven by stepper motors, allow the X-axis to move freely back and forth to meet your bending requirements. The manually adjustable back gauge, with fine-tuning capabilities, accommodates various bending needs. The Korean KACON foot switch offers extended service life and enhanced safety features. In manual mode, we can set the position of the X-axis back gauge according to demand. After the setting is completed, the controller will control the stepper motor to move the X-axis back gauge to the preset position. Similarly, we can also set the position of the bottom dead point of the Y-axis of the press brake, and the stepper motor will also move the bottom dead point of the Y-axis to the preset position. When programming bending, we switch the Estun E21 controller to programming mode, select a blank program, and enter the number of steps, number of workpieces, holding time, and X-axis and Y-axis parameters of each step to operate the machine and help us complete the corresponding bending operation. The entire press brake boasts a solid construction, with the front panel, machine body side panels, and ram thicknesses being 100 mm, 55 mm, and 60 mm respectively. The heavy-duty structure ensures the machine can handle various bending tasks without deformation. If you enjoyed our video, please subscribe to our channel. For purchasing inquiries or more information about our NC press brake, feel free to contact us or visit our website at www.krrass.com. Thank you for watching.